Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm reviewing the no pasta twists that are made entirely with chickpea flour. Bag is 16 ounces or 454 grams. It's delicious, it tastes great, it's natural, it's non-GMO, it's grain-free, gluten-free, wheat-free, dairy-free, peanut-free, soy-free, yeast-free, tree nut free, and zero trans fat. So I'm a big pasta person, Italian, and I've been eating pasta for years and years and years. I decided to try an alternative that is gluten-free and also high in protein. It's twice the protein and half the carbs. It's high in protein. It's 28 grams per cup. I'm not sure how many cups are in here. Let's see. So there are 8 half-cup servings in here. 190 calories per serving per half cup. And calories from fat are 31. The way that I make it is I boil the water, add a good amount of kosher salt to the water so that it's seasoned, and you just boil it for literally 3 to 4 minutes. I usually do 3.5 to maybe 3 minutes and 45 seconds. I find that to be the best way. The way I serve it is I get ultra lean, extra lean turkey, ground turkey, and that in a little bit of olive oil, and just use my favorite jarred pasta sauce. It's like ultra lean protein on top of protein. I used to be a die-hard pasta person. Wanted to switch it up so I had more protein in my diet. It actually really fills you up, so you don't need a huge portion of it because of the protein in it. Their motto is, we're putting indulgence back on the menu, but without the guilt. Like I said, it has an ultra low glycemic index. Most products are below 15. They make a whole line of products. They make different pastas, they make rices, they make pancake mixes, waffle mixes. This particular product, like I said, I was drawn to it because I love pasta and I wanted to try something that had more protein in it. My husband and I can usually get about 3 meals worth out of it. We can eat the leftovers for 2 days. It's just a really awesome product that I found that fits a niche within our diet. The only problem I've had with it is that the pasta will break up into little pieces sometimes. But it's honestly not that big of a deal. Usually, to keep it from sticking, after I drain it, I will put a little bit of olive oil on it to keep it, like I said, keep it from sticking. Same thing you do with regular pasta. So, yeah, I would say I would give this a 5 out of 5. I absolutely love it. I love the taste. I love that it has... I love chickpeas in general. I mean, if you like hummus, you'll most likely like this pasta because it's made with chickpeas. Really delicious. Quick and easy. like I said, you only have to boil it for about 3 minutes and 45 seconds, which is what I found to be the sweet spot. It has a good amount of your daily fiber, 14 grams, which is pretty awesome. So it's also, like I said, again, great taste, gluten-free, high protein option, and low glycemic index. So it kind of checks all the boxes. And this is 16 ounces, and like I said, I usually get about three meals out of it. Both me and my husband enjoy it. Recently found ourselves eating this instead of regular barilla pasta. Let's see, the date is best before is 5/20/20, so you have a couple years on it. Like I say, don't take my word for it, try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching. No pasta twists. Check them out.